Good morning and welcome to this guided meditation to start your day with energy, focus, and motivation. Today, we are going to set the tone for a productive and positive day, helping you feel empowered and ready to take on anything that comes your way. Before we begin, take a moment to settle into a comfortable position. You can sit with your back straight or lie down, but make sure you're in a space where you can relax and focus without distractions. Gently close your eyes and let's take a deep breath together. Inhale through your nose, filling your lungs with fresh air, and exhale slowly, releasing any tension or stress from your body. With each breath, you are moving deeper into a state of calm and presence. As you continue to breathe deeply, focus on the feeling of the air entering your body, nourishing you with energy. With every exhale, release the heaviness of yesterday and welcome the fresh energy of today. This is your time, a new beginning, a chance to create something great. Now, let's ground ourselves and center our energy. Feel the connection of your body to the earth. Imagine roots growing from the base of your spine and the soles of your feet, reaching down into the earth below you. These roots are strong, steady, and deeply connected to the core of the earth. With every breath, imagine these roots growing deeper, providing you with a sense of stability and support. No matter what happens today, you are grounded in your strength and purpose. Feel the earth beneath you, supporting you with all its power. Know that, just like the earth, you have the strength to handle any challenges that arise. You are secure, grounded, and ready to rise. Now that you're grounded, it's time to awaken your energy. Visualize a bright, golden light glowing at the center of your chest, right at the heart space. With every breath, see this light becoming brighter and more expansive, filling your entire body with warmth and vitality. With each inhale, imagine this golden energy moving up into your neck, your head, and your shoulders. Feel the warmth and light of this energy awakening your body, dispelling any remnants of sleepiness or heaviness. Let this energy continue to flow down your arms, into your hands, and then back down through your torso. Feel your stomach, hips, and legs filled with this vibrant energy. Now, imagine this golden energy radiating out from your body in every direction like rays of light from the sun. This light is full of vitality, confidence, and power, and it fuels your body and mind with everything you need to face your day. As you begin to feel more awake and energized, let's set some powerful intentions for your day. What do you want to achieve today? How do you want to feel by the end of the day? Take a few moments to reflect on what you want to manifest today. Picture yourself moving through your day with clarity, focus, and ease. Whether it's being productive at work, making meaningful connections, or simply enjoying the present moment, set your intentions clearly in your mind. Now, visualize yourself taking aligned actions that move you toward your goals. See yourself overcoming any obstacles with confidence. Imagine each step bringing you closer to the success you desire. Feel the empowerment of knowing that today you will take inspired action with energy and purpose. Trust that these intentions are already beginning to take root in your mind, body, and spirit. You have all the tools you need to succeed, and today is the perfect opportunity to use them. Let's now focus on boosting your confidence and motivation for the day ahead. You are capable, you are strong, and you are ready to make the most of this day. Imagine a shield of light surrounding you, a radiant field of protection and strength. This shield repels any negativity, doubt, or fear, and only allows positive energy to enter your space. As you look ahead to the tasks and opportunities of your day, visualize yourself moving through each situation with grace and power. See yourself confidently taking action, trusting in your abilities, and knowing that you are capable of achieving great things. With every breath, let go of any self-doubt or hesitation. You have already achieved so much, and today will be no different. You are the creator of your own success, and the energy you need to thrive is already within you. Take a moment to repeat these affirmations to yourself silently or aloud. I am confident in my abilities. I am focused and motivated. I attract positivity and success. I am ready to embrace today's opportunities. Feel the strength of these affirmations sinking deep into your subconscious mind. They are becoming part of who you are. Now, let's cultivate a positive mindset for your day. Begin by bringing to mind a moment of happiness or joy, something that makes you feel good, whether it's a memory, a place, or something you are grateful for. As you focus on this positive image, feel the warmth and joy spread through your body. Notice how this positivity expands in your heart, in your mind, and through your entire being. This positive energy is now a part of you, and it will guide you throughout your day. Feel the gratitude for the small and big moments in life. Appreciate the opportunity to start fresh today, to move toward your goals, and to embrace whatever comes your way with a heart full of positivity. Let this positivity grow stronger with every breath you take. Take a moment now to visualize yourself at the end of your day, looking back on all you've accomplished. Picture yourself feeling proud, fulfilled, and successful. See yourself smiling, knowing that you've done your best and moved closer to your goals. Visualize the tasks you have ahead and see yourself completing them with ease and confidence. Whether it's a meeting, a project, or a personal goal, know that you have the focus, energy, and drive to succeed. Trust that everything you need to be successful is within you. You are prepared, you are focused, and you are capable of achieving greatness today. Feel the sense of accomplishment and pride filling you as you see yourself living this successful day. As we come to the end of this meditation, take a moment to reaffirm the power and energy within you. You are ready to take on the day with confidence, motivation, and focus. Trust in yourself and in your ability to create a day that aligns with your highest potential. Take one final deep breath in, feeling the energy and excitement of the day ahead filling you. And as you exhale, let any lingering doubt or hesitation melt away. When you open your eyes, you will carry this energy with you, moving through your day with purpose and confidence. You are ready. You are empowered. You are unstoppable. Remember, today is yours to create, and you have everything you need to make it amazing. Namaste.